Hey, I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery, and today we're going to do a very simple table arrangement. Or maybe you want to use it on a side table or at a kid's winter, maybe they have a birthday during this time. So what I've done is I've taken a snowman hat and I've just turned it upside down. Then I have this fun snowman that has bendable legs and arms, and so I can make him do anything that I want to. But unfortunately, I'm going to have to hurt him a little bit. And I'm going to stick them down into my glue pan. And then I'm just going to glue them right to the top of my hat. And this is a lot like the present one that we did, so make sure you check that one out as well. And at Carolina Pottery, we have elves and Santas and all sorts of reindeer, things like that, in case you wanted to do different kind of characters on here. Then what I want to do is I want to add some greenery. So I'm just going to take a little bit of greenery and I'm going to stick it around them. I think greenery always just reminds me of Christmas. So I'm going to put a little bit of that around them. And just another little piece of it. And again, this is just going to be a very, very simple arrangement. Nothing that's too challenging. Then I'm going to come in with some fun picks. So I want to have some height behind them. So I'm going to take this, stick it in my glue pan. I love glitter. For me, Christmas is all about glitter. And you'll notice that in the back, as I'm making this, I'm not doing it as a 360. So this is one that would just sit from the front. Then I'm actually going to use these as little ornaments. And so I'm going to pull these off and I'm going to pretend like they're little ornaments to sit around with them. So I'm just dipping the bottom of that into my glue. Then I want to keep on adding some picks. This one even has a fun kind of ornament on them that I'm going to pull off and use down at the bottom. I want to just keep my little curly cues, and I don't want these leaves on it, so I'm gonna cut those off as well and save them, and I will use them on another project. I'm gonna bring up this curly cue, come this way with them. Then I want a little bit of a tall sprig. So I'm going to cut this off of another pick, but don't worry, I will use it for something else. Now I've got to turn them around and see what we have going on here. Okay, so one of the picks that I pulled off had a present. So I think Mr. Snowman should hold on to the present. So I'm going to stick that in, glue there, and now he is ready for Christmas. So it's just that simple. Add in just a few little pieces and you have a cute little table arrangement. So thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.